Hey, this is Paul with BuyTruckWheels.com. We're going to kind of take you behind the scenes here a little bit. This is a little real world scenario here. We're at our warehouse in Marion, Ohio. Got our neighbor's UPS here right beside us. But this is how we take pictures of our product. So a lot of companies, can take pictures inside in a photo booth or photo room, something like that. But since we sell products that are used outside, we like to take pictures outside. Now obviously we can't just throw them up, but we take pictures, cut them out, and we that way you can see them exactly how they're going to be on your truck. Try to get reflection. When you take a picture of a wheel inside of a photo booth, it just kind of looks dull, doesn't look great. So we try to come outside, take pictures outside in the real world, and that's how you're going to see them on your truck. So got a really awesome product we want to debut here for you today. These are a project we've been working on for a couple years, and we are rolling them out here very soon. So we've got a billet aluminum polished cap. This is the rear version. Then we've got the front version here, and we've got a billet aluminum lug nut cover. So We'll put all the specs up on the website with the weights and everything for those of you that are concerned. Right now, right away, these are only going to be sold with our 22s and 24s because the wheel does have to be tapped for these caps to work. It is a little heavier option, so it does need to be secured very well, and we're going to do that with the tapped wheel and the tapped cap. Eventually, our 22.5s, 24.5s will be able to accommodate these caps as well. Yep, in the North Star. Our 22.5 North Star and 24.5 North Star will also be able to accommodate these caps. In the future, we're working through that, kind of as we speak. But right now, 22s, 24s are going to have that. So as you can see, we don't really have a hub here. It's not on a truck, so we have to mock up studs and lug nuts. We just kind of want to show you how these are going to fit. These fit on a standard M22 by 1.5 stud. So semi guys, class 8 trucks with an M22 stud and a regular 33 millimeter nut will be able to use the billet aluminum nut covers with just a regular center cap. So if that's something you're interested in, that will be an option. So it's going to come with this little rubber washer. Okay, so that's going to go on the outside of your washer. And the reason for that, there's a little chamfer on the inside of your nut cover. We've designed it so that way the lug nut cover doesn't actually touch the face of the wheel. It's going to go up against that washer. So as you screw that on, and it's going to cinch tight. Now again, we don't have a hub, so we're just kind of doing this hand tight, but that stud, and as you can see, there's going to be a little gap actually in between your lug nut cover and the face of your wheel. So you're not going to scratch up the face of your wheel as you're installing those. So it's going to have an M8 tap screw, stainless steel, so these are not going to rust. All right, so I think we got it ready for a picture. So this is what we do to get pictures with the caps on, so you can kind of visualize what it's going to look like on your truck. I don't know about you guys, that looks pretty awesome. This is the big hole 24-inch that we're just launching, and it's going to be available with just a normal plastic, chrome plastic center cap, with either spike nut covers or your regular bullet nut covers, or you can upgrade to the billet set. We are in the works of developing a plastic cap similar to this. A lot of guys aren't in love with or don't have the stud length for a cap that the nut cover holds it on. So we're going to also develop a chrome plastic cap very similar to this that screws into the tap holes, so it's very secure, and that'll be for semis, your Class 8 trucks, or your dualies with adapters. So and then again, you can use the billet cap with just a regular chrome or stainless steel nut cover, or if you want to use for guys with the Class 8 trucks that may not have a tapped wheel, you can always use the billet nut covers with a pop-in center cap. Stainless steel would look good. So this is how we take our pictures. Now we're going to go ahead and actually take some pictures. We'll get them cut out and get them posted on the website. So any questions, give us a call. Thanks.